So this was my father's swimming pool from before, guys. Over here was his swimming pool. And then this is the house here. Look at this. It grow. Oh, the mango tree is still here, you know. Over this side, eh? Still the same mango tree. I remember we used to really plant up this place, you know. So this place was really, really fruitful. Have to be careful through here. Have to be very careful through here, guys. Let's look at the bush here. My God. Quite a lot of bush. Oh. Right. What about that side? They have grave over here, too. Oh, I'm missing the grave there. Yeah. You know, there was a set also over that side.
Yes, but not missing.
Over there, sir?
Yeah. Follow the track, drop the right.
I never remember she used to live there. No? Oh, so this is where they bury Miss Cindy, yeah? Cindy grave, eh? And then the canal is somewhere down here. Yes. So I expect the canal to be there. Because we land go all the way out here now. It's all the way out here. Let me. Oh, them dog lock up, don't they? Yeah, man. Yeah, we'll carry this just in case. Yeah?
Diamond. Let me call Diamond and see if one.
Okay, the fence, that's the fence over there, so. There you go. Right. That's why the time it's a whole heap of bad dog. You know why? Because a lot of people come around here and steal things, eh?
Diamond! Diamond! The diamond alone.
Oh my God, it really changed up, man.
Diamond! I think it should have been more to over that side.
Oh, more.
For your daddy.
Yes.
That side, going there for the land like it just flat.
Yeah, where the canal there? Canal over that side there?
Yeah, make it like a L shape. I don't think it's here.
Oh, so I think this is where Miss Cindy was living.
Right, this is Miss Cindy, where she used to live.
Oh dear.
There's somebody there.
All right.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
You see earphone in her ears, she not see. You could have worked in her place and...
I don't even want it, you don't even know. It's an Aki tree. The Aki tree is right over there.
Hello. Diamond.
Yeah.
Your father? Or your mother? Your mommy? Father? You know, like me, I call because you alone me know.
Oh, you see the hill up there? We're looking at over there. We used to climb on top of that hill.
Okay.
Right to the very top, yes.
Wow.
I can't forget that, yes. And we put a little flag up the top to say we reach, you know? Like a mark to say we reach on top of that part, yeah. Okay. I want the lorry. Remember lorry? Oh, you don't know him. Okay. Let me send the family would know them anyway.
Hi.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
This is Kevin's
Twin brother. Yeah. Don't worry. Just to let you know I'm recording, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Guys, not everybody like the video, you know? Oh, careful. Tripping over there.
The piece of black something there, so just put it, we try to keep out dog.
Oh, okay. Yeah, lots of bad dog.
No man, yeah man, through them, the plan.
Yeah, there should be a gutter. Where's that siphon?
The siphon goes to the front.
Oh yes, because I know we landed go all the way out there.
Yeah man, the siphon.
Yes.
The siphon now use again.
You now use again?
No water, there's some drop up for irrigation now.
Oh.
Yeah. Irrigation water on here, sir? No man, over there, sir.
And look at the sour stuff on the floor.
And I use the canal again.
Oh.
And the canal over there, so it's full of water then.
Yes, because I remember we used to cross over the road, innit? And we have the big siphon over that side. Oh, so right there. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, man.
You know it's a big land we have. The land is very big. Yes, remember, tell you, come all the way out here. All the way out here. And we used to have one little gate there. I used to go through it to cross over the other side. To go to turn on the force of the water to come through here. To come around that side, run through that gutter. Through that canal and go over the other side. Right over to next door. Yes, man. Wow. Look at this lovely sugar cane. Wow. Feel like eating you, yeah? Look very lovely. Spotlight.
No, we tell them already.
Yeah, oh yes.
I want to go in a video.
Oh, I'm a content creator. Yes, I'm a world traveler, you see? I'd expect her to be in my video because she know me. Yeah, you're gonna be on TV. Let's see. Okay. Okay, oh, you guys plant vegetable over this side, so. Right then. Yeah. Wait, who that to shout? Wait, who that to scream? So this is where Miss Cindy used to live, don't it?
Yeah, man.
All right. Now I know. Okay. Oh yeah, this is where we. Oh yeah, we land finish off on this side. Yes. Yes, I remember. Yes, we come through this side now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Them now know me because you know me, but them are the next generation. Oh look, we got a kitty over there. Hello. What's up? What's up? Would you like to shout out your social media? Your social media. Come on, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Have you got a YouTube channel? You don't have one. All right then. Don't worry. I'll open one for you. Don't worry. I expect you to go into YouTube. But I'll cut them out, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, whatever in there I'll cut out. I'm the one do the editing, so.
Okay.
It's me who edit my own videos. Aki tree, guys. Over there called Aki tree. See right over there, guys? That's the ackee tree. And then this was the pig pen we passed earlier with the two little thing. Sorry, I don't have any feeding to give you, man. I'm sorry. Sorry. So yes, now I can see now what it is now. That yes. So those are Cindy family, the family of me. Yes, I remember my lady though. I remember her. And that's why Miss Cindy was buried here, because a part of here, a part of here is for them.
Right.
So she's not buried on our land really, because this part is not ours. Yes, because
your land cut.
Yes, it cut. Yes, I remember. Yes, that's right. That Miss Cindy, I've got this piece of land going back that way,
Right.
and we should have a barbed wire here. The barbed wire should be somewhere over. Yes, yes, yeah. Oh yeah, there's the barbed wire. Yes, that's right. So over that side is ours, and this side is theirs. Yes, that's right. Yes. So
You get an L shape from the land.
yes, we just forgot we have an L shape. Yes, that's right. It's an L shape going that way, and then we go further back that way too.
Right.
Yes. We used to have a mango tree. I don't know if he's
All
even
the
still.
mango tree down here, all of them died. There's none.
They must dead out, man. All them years.
It's only these two. We try to water them. We don't got the one them that's in the yard. We try to keep them, water them,
Yeah.
and so forth.
And we used to have a lot of coconut trees.
Wow, I never seen none of those here.
Well, you wouldn't see them. Because,
We have a lot of drought here, you know.
yes, because here it don't rain like in spring garden we get lots of rain.
Yes. If you look on this, it's because it's where the place dry up.
Yeah, so the place and everything dry up over that side. All dry up.
It's because they have the tall trees over there. That's why they say they're like that.
Yes, that's why it all look like that, is it? Oh God. Yes. Now me just remember in the formation now, you know? And this is what gave us a little clue. So that means when I step over here, that means I step on someone's land. Yes, because I remember the L shape to here, you know? Yes, I remember. So that's ours here. And we used to plant up a lot of vegetables here. And we used to have a grape arbor.
Oh.
Yes, over on that side.
You used to have a grape arbor here?
Yeah, man. Used to have a big grape arbor tree. Wow, careful stepping over them sticking out. Jeez, son. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Over here, man, we used to have a big grape arbor over this side, you know? Wait, a ton of that?
Yes, but don't mind because we don't almost get any rain. It's every day.
Yeah, it's true now. Because the thunder don't mean we're going to get rain, it's true. I'm going to go through here. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so this is the back part of my father's house. I'm going to just cut through here. It's kind of difficult to go through here, but yes, man, I can manage this, man. And I was a bushman, but there's a lot of whisk, guys. You have to be very careful walking over this side. Look at that. It's very, very challenging. Oh no, there's a dog. Yes. So let me show you properly the swimming pool now, guys. So that's my father's house. Oh, they have a dog around there. Don't worry, the dog is for protection. Look, we got a little puppy here. Hello. Are you friendly? No. Yeah. This one not friendly? Oh, okay. Oh, that one. Oh no, that one is not here.
Say hi.
I was warned that there was a dangerous dog here, you know? Two?
Yeah.
Hey, me only tell you it was only one.
Two. One is on the other side.
Oh, on the other. Oh, that's why he was saying be careful when you come out, not to come around this side and that side. Yes. Oh. It's good to have them down there. Well done, you know? Yeah. Yes, man, you're going to need them, man, because, you know, bad dogs, bad people, thief, you know? Yeah. Oh, I remember we used to have this. This is still here. Or maybe it's been rebuilt, I don't know.
What?
This.
The coop? Yes, it's still there.
Yes, man, that's been here for a long time. So that is there, guys. So, and the people them used to come and steal the chickens, them. Right now it's locked. And they got a water tank here, which is nice. We used to have a pipe here, right? I don't understand why my father didn't get this before when he was alive, but oh, that's where the standpipe was. We used to have the pipe, it was here. The pipe was here before. Okay, and there's a bad dog on the other side, so must be careful not to go that side. Yes, there's bad dog on that side. But yes, I can see, yes, now I can, yeah, over there doesn't belong to us. It would be nice to buy that land and fix everything up, to be honest, you know, over that side. But I will still give you guys, you know, some more update of my father's house. Yes, I'll give you the upside, the update, and show you what the front of it look like as well in the next video as well, guys, you know. So I want to give you the inside tour in the next video. So anyway, thank you so much, guys. This is where I'm wrapping it up for today here in St. Thomas. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, this is the land of my father place. Thank you so much. Always subscribe, share this video, tell another friend to tell another friend. Also go and check out DMAC 4K World Tour as well. Yep, I'll put his link down in the description. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing out from Jamaica here in St. Thomas. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really, really a good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, Ate Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at this video, it's very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazing about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.